Hi, welcome back to my studio. Today I will be showing you how to transform plain bezels into bezels that stand out. It is exactly a setting makeover. It will literally make your jewelry piece glow. We will begin by shaping the bezels so they hug each stone perfectly, creating a clean and elegant foundation. You can get creative with this technique. You can decorate all your bezels with these beautiful beads and make your jewelry sparkle. I have soldered each bezel onto a 20 gauge sterling silver backplate. After soldering and pickling, then I am sawing off both bezels. Oh, and I have another tip. If you don't want to pierce your backplate like I did, you can take a piece of fine silver and mill it down to approximately 32 gauge. Then cut a shape that fits your bezel inside and then place it at the bottom. And then insert your stone and then proceed to set. This will enhance the color of your stone. Now I am going to solder posts on both earrings before I start the cleaning step. This is the polishing step. First I want to say, please do not use your magnetic tumbler to clean or polish any of your bezels because it might be quick and helpful, but is one of the worst things you could do prior to setting. You will harden the bezel, and the setting of your stone will be way more difficult to set. So I recommend doing all the finishing, cleaning, and polishing by hand. On the screen you can see the radial wheels that I used. So I bought them on Amazon and I will drop the link below. The bristle wheel chart on the screen will tell you where to start. I start with the blue and then use all of them to actually pre-polish the piece that I'm working on. The bristle wheel chart is very helpful. It will tell you all the grits and you'll use them according to actually what texture are you looking for your piece. Here you take any polishing compound that you have and just polish your piece away. These are the wheels that I used, including the wire brushes and the sandpaper. Now we're going to proceed to set the stone. As you see, that stone is very tight inside of that bezel, and the walls are the right height. So this is very important because when you start pushing on those beads, you have to push to make them rest over that stone to hold it tight. Okay, so check your stone for tightness and wall height before you start doing your beads. Thank you so much for joining me in the studio today, And if you have any questions about any step, whether it's bezel height, soldering, sanding, or stone setting techniques, leave them in the comments below and I will be happy to help.